So I bought this kit off eBay for the 98 KX125, and there's an O-ring that is wrong, and they can't make it good. So if you buy one of these, you need to know. Let me show it to you. And this is the part we were just looking at, right? And it's this O-ring, not this one down here. So it's hard to get the seal over this little sharp lip here. So you take a piece of plastic and wrap it around, and then you can use that to get over that sharp lip, and it'll slide right on. So once you stretch it, you can pull the seals over the lip. You know, this is going in where that lip is, right? Okay. Put new seals in. Washer. So again, this is a 98. This piece goes in here, and this tube goes inside there. Actually, this is, you know, when you're done, this will go in the base here, right? And screws into that. Okay? This on a 98, you don't take it apart. If you're pre-97, you do. And if you do this right again, you'll have something that looks like that, with a clip in between those two black O-rings. These can be useful. Harbor Freight, I don't remember what it was, 50 bucks. I'm looking down the bore of this because I've got some staining. It's not grooving, or some kind of an odd stain. So I'm just cleaning up the inside, and that's helping me evaluate what I'm looking at. So you're trying to drive this into a plastic bushing that's pressed inside here, okay? And that, I'm going to call it that washer, sits over that. So you can go ahead and put the washer here. I take old fork seals like this, see, and modify them. Get the seal lined up as best you can and start tapping it down until you can tell it's starting to go. And then I use these two old seals here and drive that puppy in down hard. You know, bam. So that's kind of what it'll look like. You can see that groove that the clip is going to fit into. Oh, doggone it. Cougar, Bobcat. And so then you get these the old seals off, right? And I just throw those back in the toolbox for a rainy day. That's the new one for the other fork tube. Okay, and then you can drive the fork seal in, put in the clip that retains it, dust cover. So assembled, that's the top, right? The cap goes in there. Got the spacer, an O-ring, this assembly. All right, this is another assembly here, and then that spring retainer. Not very good lighting, is it? I think that's going to have to be erased.